Are you a veteran or active duty service member looking to buy a home with your VA loan benefit? You've earned this incredible benefit, but let's be honest, it can get a little messy navigating the process. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your VA loan process as smooth as possible. By the end, you'll know exactly the steps you need, the common pitfalls to avoid, and insider tips that can save you time and, more importantly, less stress. I'll break it down into 3 parts: getting pre-approved the right way, choosing the right lender, and avoiding common pitfalls that most people will make on a VA loan. Plus, stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could also save you thousands. Here's something you might not know. Many lenders don't fully understand VA loans, which can actually cause frustrating delays or even higher costs for you inadvertently. And in fact, I've seen where veterans miss out on a home just because they were working with someone who didn't know what they were doing. And stick with me, I'll help you avoid those headaches. So the first step to a smooth VA loan process is getting pre-approved as early as possible. But not all approvals are created equally. So work with a lender that specializes in VA loans, not just any mortgage lender, and make sure it's a fully underwritten pre-approval. There is a difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval. So make sure you're getting a pre-approval. Also, have your certificate of eligibility. That is 100% crucial in this process. And most lenders, to include ourselves, can actually pull your COE for you. Just ask. The sooner you do this, the less surprises they will be later on. And here's a quick story for you. I work with a veteran who found his dream home, but he was pre-qualified with another person. It was a weak pre-approval or pre-qualification. The deal fell apart. He swapped us, and we were able to get a fully pre-approved and get him in the dream home the next month. So that leads to number 2. Choose a VA savvy lender. Not all lenders are created equally, especially when it comes to VA loans. Many claim they do a lot of VA loans, but only a few of them actually specialize in VA loans. So here's what to look for when you're looking at VA lenders. Make sure we have low VA loan fees and competitive interest rates. Experience with the VA loan rules, like no down payment, no PMI. Make sure they also have good customer reviews. A lender who knows the VA loan really, really well can save you thousands, and they make the process seamless. Example, some lenders might have a 1% origination fee, while others don't. That is a potential savings of thousands of dollars, so make sure you compare the options and make sure you're being taken care of, but do this in the pre-approval stage. Step 3, avoid these common mistakes. Here are 3 big ones that always come up when a veteran's trying to use their VA loan. They start house hunting before they're pre-approved. We all do it on Realtor.com, Zillow. You're just wasting your time unless you're actually pre-approved with a fully underwritten pre-approval. You skip the checklist. Make sure that you're following the checklist and you have all your documents and you're really qualified. The third thing, not budgeting for closing costs. So just remember, VA loans have 0% down, but the buyer is still responsible for closing costs. Now, the seller can contribute selling concessions, but you're still responsible. So make sure we save for that. Bonus tip, and I see this often, not using your VA loan multiple times. Yes, you can use it more than once. And if you've used your VA loan before, you might still be eligible to use it again with the other house. So if you want even more tips on maximizing your VA loan benefits, I've got a video that dives deeper into how to save money and avoid the hidden fees. So don't forget to subscribe. In that video, there's going to be a tip of how we help save a veteran over